Hey guys, so today we're going to be making Nutella chocolate chip cookies, and you guys know how much I love Nutella, so I thought this would be super delicious. And I also haven't made cookies in a while, so I figured this would be perfect. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need will be half a cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter softened to room temperature, 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg and 1 egg yolk at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of Nutella divided into 2 separate bowls, so in each bowl have 1/4 of a cup of Nutella. And also a little note about the Nutella is you want to stir up the Nutella really well, because usually when it's just sitting in the jar, the oils from the Nutella go up to the top and that could ruin the cookies. So you want to mix in those oils and make sure the Nutella is combined. 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, and finally 1 1/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips divided. So in one bowl I have 1 cup of chocolate chips, and in the other bowl I have a 1/4 cup. The 1 cup is going to be used for inside the cookies, and the 1/4 cup is going to be used on top of the cookies for decoration. So first, in a large bowl, using my stand mixer and a paddle attachment, I am whipping the butter on a medium speed for about 1 minute until the butter is completely smooth and creamy. Now add in your brown sugar and your granulated sugar and beat that on a medium-high speed until it's fluffy and light in color. Now add in both the whole egg and the egg yolk and the vanilla, and then just beat that in on a high speed until it's all combined. Now just take one of your Nutella bowls and scoop all of that in. Now just beat in the Nutella until it's all combined. Now in a large separate bowl, you're going to pour in your flour, baking soda and cornstarch, and salt, and then whisk all those dry ingredients together. Now just pour all those dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Now on the lowest speed, slowly mix this in until it's combined. Now just pour in your 1 cup of chocolate chips and slowly mix that for about 5 to 10 seconds until the chocolate chips are evenly dispersed. So now I just added in my other bowl of Nutella, and I'm just mixing this in for about 5 to 10 seconds because we don't want this to mix completely and combine. We just want the Nutella streaks to go throughout the cookie dough. So now I'm just taking 1 tablespoon of cookie dough and I'm rolling it into little balls, and I'm putting it on a cookie tray with a Silpat. So now bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, then turn around the tray and then bake it again for another 5 minutes. So now after the cookies have baked and they have cooled for at least 5 minutes, I am now taking a spoon and just flattening the cookies out gently, because when the cookies bake in the oven, they get rounded at the top. So just take a spoon and use the back, lightly press down, and it'll flatten out the cookies. This part is totally optional, but while the cookies are still warm, you could place some chocolate chips on top, and this just is really for decoration. These are our beautiful finished Nutella chocolate chip cookies. I absolutely love these. I tried some earlier and they are so delicious. If you guys think it's too sweet, you can always sprinkle a little bit of salt on top to balance out the sweetness. I don't think it's that sweet, but then again, this is coming from a girl with the biggest sweet tooth. And also, if you don't like Nutella, I still think you should give this recipe a try because the Nutella flavor actually isn't that strong. You just get a little hint of Nutella and it's just so perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!